It is at this point that a lot of us, including myself, we start to let go of the advantage. Now, here the advantage is an extra pawn, but it's not any pawn. It is a protected passed pawn. If you haven't gone over lesson number 39, you must review that, guys. Now, after this, all I'm thinking is I need to simplify the game. That's it. So I want to claim the open file. I can't. So knight c6, and I'm ready to play rook d8. He just went pawn to e5, but now I get to claim the open file and simplify the game. Queen b3, give me the rook. All I'm thinking is simplify. Queen d8, let's go into that endgame. He said no. Fine, I'm going to improve my knight because I want to play queen d5. And guys, queen d5 or queen d3, forcing them to trade the queen. That queen is the one that could get us in trouble. My opponent played for a little bit longer until after queen d3, I just went ahead and took on e3. Notice that the engine is not